let's add key influencer visualization. For that, you need to click on key influencers visualization, and it will come up onto the canvas like this. So why this visualization is used is to see, like, for example, the profit is getting impacted by what? Like, what are the factors that would impact the profit? Whether the profit, if it increases, then what are the factors that would influence it, right? That is what this particular visualization would give you as data in front of you, so that you can make decisions quickly. So that, and you can see that the name itself is key influencers visualization. So without any further ado, let's put some values and see how this visualization comes up. So for that, what we will try to do is add that profit onto analyze, because we need to analyze profit, isn't it? And then explain why. You can add, like, if the gross sale in, like, has any effect on to the profit. So in order to increase the profit, right, increase the profit, you need to make sure the sales is going up. So that is obvious, right? If the sales goes up, the profit would also go up. So that's what we have mentioned here. So what this key influencer visualization say is, if the sales is going up by 257,301.5, that is $257,301, and the average profit increases by $32,000. I just added sum of sales price. So if the sales price is going up by 136,000, so if the sales price goes up by $136,000, the profit goes up by $4,000. So this is how you can do analysis of how to increase your profit. What you should do, should increase your sales or the price of your products. Thank you so much for going through this lesson, guys. I hope this was very useful for you. We'll see in the next session, wherein we are going to understand how to use navigation buttons and navigate through different pages. See you in the next session.